you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Elmer's Goo. So I'm going to be rating it on the packaging, the texture and the color, which is combined, and last, the scent. Okay, so first let's start with the packaging. So I think I should give it like a 10 out of 10 because first this, which is, but I think it should be Elmer's slime, not goo. Otherwise I think it's pretty good. So I rate it 9.5 out of 10. Now I'm gonna do scent. I'm gonna rate it 8.5 out of 10 because it smells like cherry, but it smells like fake cherry. Now the texture. And I'll also rate it on some more things. Texture. I feel like the texture is 10 out of the 10, and the look basically is like another 10 out of 10. So, and then another one is how good the pops are. Okay. Sorry, clicks, not pops. That's not that good. Rate the stretch. One more time. Okay, so on the clicks, on the pokes, I rate it 8. And on the stretch, I rate it an 8.5. Now I'm gonna do the pop. You can hear my hands coming away from it more, look. Means it's more sticky than poppy. Now how, like, hard it is. So it's kind of hard. See? And it's kind of hard to squish, see? So I'm gonna rate it probably an 8. Now I'm only gonna play with a little bit of it and see if it changes. The texture doesn't really change. Nothing really changes. So you guys, I have another slime to review. I have a blue one. And tell me if you want me to review that one. It's in Elmer's. That was amazing. Okay. Well, I actually rate the pop like a 9.5. So tell me if you want me to review that blue one, blue Elmer's Goo. Okay. Bye guys. See you in my next video.